So we're here in Sherwood Regional Library, and we're excited to have an exhibit that was put together by Arlington Public Library that is featuring local civil rights activists that were active during the time that the Voting Rights Act was passed 60 years ago this month in August 1965. This exhibit has an interactive component to it where you can write what voting means to you, and you put a little box there. There's also photographs of Annie Harper and a couple of the other activists that you can take home with you or put in the box.
It's important to learn this information because a lot of the young people don't know what struggles took place for them to be able to enjoy what they have today. Annie Harper, who sued the Virginia Board of Elections, actually lived in Gum Springs, and this action that she took, it not only affected the minorities in Gum Springs, but it affected the whole country. And so we shouldn't take voting rights for granted.
We're really excited that Arlington Public Library is partnering with us for this exhibit, and please come check it out and learn more.